Wasim Jafar was one of the opener batsmen in Indian cricket team. Most of the times, he witnessed the outstanding batting of all-time legend opener Virendra Sehwag. Wasim Jafar had the opportunity to enjoy that mind-blowing battings of Sehwag on several times from non-striker end. Wasim Jafar watched his innings and terrific batting as a partner. We cannot point out any batsman for outstanding playing style afterwards Virendra Sehwag. It would be true that Sehwag's legacy was praised after he left the ground because Indian fans miss him so much. So far we never compared any young player with Sehwag. It is true that we were not enough brave to point out a young player whose talent is as equal to Virendra Sehwag. But now Wasim Jafar comparing a young player with Sehwag. Jafar says he has seen next to Virendra Sehwag in Prithvi Shaw. His reason behind the statement: I remembered Virendra Sehwag when I had seen the century of Prithvi Shaw in his debut test match in 2018. It is indisputable that he is a special. He have enough talent like Sehwag, a devastating batsman to the opponent side, but he has to improve in some techniques of the game, deliberately in attacking and defending styles. Prithvi lost his wicket 2 times with a short ball in New Zealand series. Without knowing the trap of Kiwi bowlers, he fell down. If he could bat with better self-control, definitely he might be a shining star of Indian cricket team, Wasim Jafar told. Sehwag is an irreplaceable talent in Indian cricket, even though we cannot exclude the words of Wasim Jafar because he equating Shaw's attitude with Sehwag's fearless attitude. Like Sehwag, he is also interested in placing fielders inside the fielding circle. He wants his success by breaking the fielding circle. Will Prithvi Shaw fill the slot of Sehwag in Indian cricket team?